So today we're gonna do an unboxing video. I actually got my HelloFresh right here. This is the first box I ever ordered from them, just to see what the hype is all about. So let's unbox and see. Video for HelloFresh. This is not sponsored, by the way. I just wanted to try what the hype is all about, and perhaps this review is going to help someone out there. Unboxing. Fix my camera. Okay, I hope you guys can see. So first, the packaging. This is how the box comes. This is more like I think an insulator to protect the critters. Oh, look at that. How a HelloFresh box actually looks like. This is the interior of the box. I just got it this morning, so I decided to do an unboxing video, an updated one, because I know people have done that on YouTube already months ago. So maybe this is going to help as it's updated, right? So let's see what my box has. Welcome to America. One meal kit. This is this is a card about how to get started. Another, this is a reward card, I guess. An envelope. This is what's in the envelope. The menu card. I actually ordered what did I put in my box? I put the, let me see if it's right here. Okay, so I have the special sauce house burgers, the pork bulgogi bowl, and sweet Thai chili pork tenderloin. That's what I asked for in my box. Actually, they gave me a list of pre-selected menus, and I swapped the ones they gave me with the sweet Thai chili and the pork bulgogi. So these are the two that I selected, but this is one of the menus they pre-selected for me, the special sauce house burgers. So one thing with them is they don't have a lot of options weekly. I didn't really like most of the menus, but let's say I select, let me try. It's always good to try, right? Guess this is what? Coupon card too. Oh, interesting. So this is actually how it comes, packaged like this. So this is the pork bulgogi. This is the sweet Thai chili pork tenderloin. The special sauce house burgers. and don't forget about the ingredients which may be hiding under the ice. Don't forget about, I don't know if you guys can see this. So this, let me tilt the box so you can see. So the ice, the ground pork, the ground beef, the pork tenderloin, and ice. That's pretty much everything that's in my HelloFresh box. So let's get into the unpackaging of the menu ingredients. So guys, like we said, this is all that came in my HelloFresh box. I'm actually not planning on cooking anyone today. I will do my meal prep tomorrow, Saturday. I don't know if I will be able to film that so y'all can see what it looks like, but I'm just gonna be honest with the process. Sweet Thai chili pork dandelion, the HelloFresh box that I received yesterday, so we can all judge and see. So this is the recipe card. This is the recipe card for the Sweet Thai chili pork tenderloin. So this is supposed to be 2 serving. So this is the rice, 0.5 cup for 2 people. So 2 serving. So 2 people are supposed to eat this rice. Wow. You have some cilantro, the green beans, came with the scallion, the chicken, HelloFresh chicken, I mean, it has no name, these, and this. So this is supposed to be 2 serving, and the meat, this is the pork tenderloin. So this is for 2 people. I mean, 2 servings means 2 people can eat it, right? So to be honest, this is really not worth the hype. Like, this is really not worth the hype for me. And here you have the pork bulgogi balls. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this today. I don't know, but I feel I'll be able to do the Sweet Thai chili pork tenderloin because the veggies can get spoiled. So maybe I should just do that quickly for today. So for the pork bulgogi balls, this is what comes in the pack. So keep in mind that this is 2 serving. This is supposed to be 2 serving. I wanted to just make a quick video before I cook it because I'm just doing a food prep for the week. So you have 0.5 cup of rice, that's half cup of rice, onions, green onions, carrots, sweet Korean BBQ, cucumber, sesame seeds. So is this supposed to be like 2 tablespoons? I don't know. Like, you have this sriracha chili sauce. This is what comes to it. Sour cream. So 2 packs of sour cream and white wine vinegar. So that's what came in the pork bulgogi bowl for 2. So if you ever consider trying this, and then if this is the recipe card for the meat. I need to show you the meat. Let's see where the meat is. This is the meat for 2. So this is basically what comes in your bulgogi bowl pack. This is actually, so I'm just gonna make this quick so I can go and rest. I don't have time to film the recipe, but hopefully this video is gonna help if you're wondering what the sizes look like. And so this is pretty much, oh, the lime is not included, so this is pretty much it. Just these. But to show you guys what was in the HelloFresh Special Sauce House Burgers bag. So I haven't opened it since the box came. Let's find out. Oh, 1 onion. HelloFresh ketchup. Garlic powder. Potatoes. White wine vinegar. The buns. One tomato. Let's see, potatoes again. Let's get all the potatoes out. Cheddar cheese. Sour cream. And Dijon mustard. So let's see. As you can see, no more. So this is what we get for the Special Sauce House Burgers. You get this for 2 servings. So serving, and the beef. Let me take out the beef. And the ground beef. So if you ever order the HelloFresh Special Sauce Burgers, you will get these for 2 servings. This is all the ingredients they are going to send to you. Potatoes, the bun, garlic powder, Dijon mustard, ketchup, cheddar cheese, the beef, sour cream, white wine vinegar, 1 onion, small one, and tomato. So this is pretty much it. Like, the process of ordering wasn't an easy one, because when I went on the website, you have it's pretty confusing, I would say. You have like preferred settings, and in the preferred settings you have to choose meat and veggies, vegetarian, pescatarian, and another thing. So the menu they pre-select for you has nothing to do with your preference in your settings. You see what I'm saying? So if you choose veggies, for instance, you're going to see like 3 pre-selected meals on your page, on your menu page, right? And then they say you have the option to swap. You can actually do that with your desktop. You're not going to see any options to do that on your desktop. You need to do it on the app. You need to download the app to be able to swap. And mind you, the hidden menus that they have at the bottom of the 3 pre-selected menus, not all of it comes at the same price. So if you chose a plan like this, is 3 meals for 2 people, 3 meals for 2 people for a week. So if you choose this plan, they have meals that you are entitled to in order to swap with the pre-selected menus that they chose for you. It doesn't precise which one is premium. It just gives you like Taste of Thor, another Gourmet Plus and other things, right? So you have to use your own discernment to know that Gourmet Plus is a premium meal, and if you add that, you're going to pay extra. And because your card is already on their system, it's just going to automatically charge you, which for me is not good. Like, you don't do that. For me, it's dirty marketing. That's dirty practice, because it would have been easier for them to precise premium on each menu that is not entitled to your plan. So if you add it, you're aware that it's going to cost you extra. So I'm going to prep these meals tomorrow, and I'll see what the hype is all about. But I actually got a Groupon code. Let me tell you guys, I got a Groupon code, a Groupon voucher, $30. So I got this for $30. Yeah, no extra cost. I said I'm gonna use my voucher and try this HelloFresh and give my unboxing review. And this is it, guys. So if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be very glad to answer any questions of your choice. Did I forget anything? So I actually had a little situation with customer service, but maybe I'm going to talk about that in another video. I don't know if you guys are interested, because initially what happened was I instead used the shogi. There's a shogi style ramen noodle menu, so I instead swap one of the pre-selected menus with that, and yo, I got charged $389. So I was like, what? Why am I being charged? Because the menus that are there, I have the right to swap, right? So why am I being charged? So when I called her, she was like, oh, you chose one of the premiums. I'm just like, premiums? But it wasn't rating on the website. It didn't say anything about premium when I was choosing the menu. So she said, oh yeah, they are sorry and all the blah blah blah. So your guys should be really mindful of that. Make sure that when you want to change the pre-selected menus, you don't choose the premium menus that are going to make them charge you extra fee. So that was it about my review. Hope this helped you guys. Okay, bye. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.